Hello everyone, welcome to LionGuest Studios. My name is Sahil Bhosle. On this channel, we are starting a new video series called Algorithms. So where we will be covering all the commonly asked algorithms in the software engineering interviews. So if you see in my background, I have listed down few of the things. So first thing is that the prerequisite section. So basically, for this series, I'm assuming that you are comfortable with a particular programming language. So that language could be anything, C, Java, or anything. But the for this series, we will be focusing on Java for implementing the code. For theoretical, for algorithms, you don't actually required programming language knowledge just to understand the algorithm, like how it actually works. Okay, for implementation point of view, yes, definitely you should have some understanding, and for this video series we will be using Java. I think preferably if you have knowledge in any of the programming language, that's fine. C, Java, Python, it really does not matter. Okay. Secondly, the most important thing, you should be comfortable with all the data structures that we have, preferably so queues, stacks, hash maps, then trees, or even graphs as well, graphs and heaps as well. So you should be comfortable in almost all the data structures. We will not be covering them, and we will be only focusing on algorithms part and not the data structure. So I think these are only the two prerequisites that you actually require. Okay. Then coming back to algorithms, so we basically have three types of algorithms. So first is the divide and conquer, second is greedy algorithms, and third is the dynamic programming. Okay, and apart from this, we also have few other algorithms as well. But mostly overall, if you see, we have three categories of algorithms. So in the first category, where we will be covering the divide and conquer. So here we will be seeing merge sort, quick sort, and then binary search. Okay, so binary search is not exactly an algorithm as such. It's basically a technique, more of a technique than an algorithm. Okay, so these are the three things that we will be covering in this part of the video. So in divide and conquer, basically we divide a problem. So we have a large problem, and then we divide that entire problem into sub problems, and then we solve for each of these sub problems, and whatever solution we get, we just keep on combining those solutions and forming a bigger solution. So that's what how these kind of algorithms work. Secondly, we will see the greedy algorithms. So in greedy algorithms, we are basically more interested in a particular thing, for example, profits or something like that. So here we will be covering all of these listed algorithms like knapsack, job sequencing, optimal merge patterns, Huffman coding, etc. Okay, and these algorithms are mostly used on graphs and trees. So prime algorithm, Kruskal's, and Dijkstra algorithm. Okay. So this is what we will be covering in greedy algorithm section. Then when it comes to dynamic programming, our main focus will be on these two concepts. The first concept is recursion, and second is the Master's theorem. So here recursion, so when it comes to dynamic programming, recursion actually plays an important role. Okay, without recursion, you can't actually solve most of the dynamic programming problems. Okay, recursion is the backbone of these problems. So we will be first understand how the recursion works, how the recursion stack is created, or how to understand recursion in terms of recursion tree. So we'll be covering everything about recursion. Then after that, in order to find the time complexity of recursion and all, we will be using Master's theorem. So when it comes to algorithms part, we will see longest common subsequence, knapsack, Bellman-Ford, and all the other things. So these are the list of algorithms that we'll be covering. Okay. Apart from this, we have few other algorithms like Kadani algorithms and KPM algorithm, Kunt Morris Priet algorithm, and then Robin Karp algorithm. So we will also be covering these as well. Okay. So overall, if you see, we have, I think, 20 algorithms or so. So I will be uploading one video every week. And to complete this series, I think it will take around 4 months to complete this series. So first we will see concept wise, like how a particular algorithm works. And after that, we will also see how to implement that algorithm practically using Java. So this is how the entire series will go through. So if you have any doubts about this series, then you can actually comment down, and please do subscribe to LionGuest Studios to get updates on the upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.